In 1970, Russia decided to drill a hole across the ground because they thought there were many treasures under the ground which can be dug by drilling across the ground. So, digging began to drill across the ground, and it continued for 5 years, and after 5 years, this hole reached a depth of 7 kilometers, i.e. But in 1989, the Russian government suddenly stopped this project. The drilling machine that was being drilled was stuck in at 12 kilometers, i.e. 40,000 feet. But this was not the only reason to stop this project. In addition, as the ground was getting deeper, the temperature was increasing. You can imagine that the temperature had reached 210 degrees Celsius in just 12 kilometers of depth. The workers who worked on this project said that when we started to reach the depth of the ground, we heard scary sounds. These were such scary sounds that they had never heard in their lives. And apart from these sounds, there was a lot of silence in the ground which made them very scared. Apart from these mysterious things, one thing was that the speed at which the drilling was being done on the ground was very slow, so people could only reach half of the ground in 1140 years. So imagine how long it would take to get across the ground. Anyway, this is the deepest hole ever drilled by humans on the ground, which is known as the Kola Super Deep Borehole. And after closing this project, this hole was closed forever. For more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next amazing video.